Serikali, kwa sababu serikali imeweza kumlipa pesa yake ile ilikuwa imebaki kwa ile kazi amefanya yote kabisa. Vile tunaongea hapa, serikali contractor andai serikali pesa yote kwa zile nini amerisi na kupelekea serikali ndiye alipo pesa. Hiyo lazima tuelewane. Kama serikali hatuna ndeni na yeye. Sasa yeye ndio unaona amembobera 100% arundi kwa site. Na ametuhakikishia kufikia Disemba kama mambo yote iko sawa atakuwa amemalizana hata kuweka rami barabara.
Tugitigana na cigie barabara tukwerekera kugina kuria mbeu njithi kuma ithwiro ria bururi ugite ati mweke uria ukoretwo kihoyo wa andu anini wa gukorwo magitongoria ukamenyeka kana ugakorwo kioneka hindi ya githurano giukite kia mweri wa 11. Oho maugite ati mbeu njithi ingi meyumiria thiini wa githurano kiu nigigukorwo ari kionereria gia githurano kinene giukite kia mwaka wa 2027. Akeria thutha wa mucemanio na mbeu njithi mwena wa Machakos kanjũ ya makanitha NCCK nĩ ũrĩtie thirikari kũiga ciĩranĩro iria yeranĩire.
To change your notion that vijana hatutapiga kura, that vijana huwa hawapigi kura, because we've had I've learned ama nimesikia leo that 60% of voters ni sisi kama Gen Zs, ni sisi kama youth. So it means that the greater voice and the greater change lies with us. So tujitokeze in large numbers.
We are calling out on our leaders, right from the top, from the president to the governors, to the senators, to the MPs, to the MCRs, and every other person who is involved in governance. The youths are making a cry, they are making an urge. Ensure that there is good governance. It's asking for justice, and that is what we are saying as a church. Let's have justice. Let's have a fair distribution of the resources, fair distribution of even the positions that we are having in the government. Just let justice be seen, because without justice, then there is no way we can talk of good governance. The second issue that came out clearly on leadership is the issue of mercy. Yeah, we need not just to be, biased in terms of tribal affiliations, in terms of our status. Let's be moved by mercy. All Kenyans deserve mercy.
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Thaa Nithi ni magite na miario na atongoria anini 1,500 oro hamwe na atongoria kuma mwena wa Isiolo. Kaunti ya Isiolo niyo igukorwo ikiguneka makiria na gicunji kinene hari mwako wa barabara ya kilomita 750 ya Horn of Africa na kimanjika kia muigana wa shilingi bilioni 100. Barabara-ini iyo igukorwo igituikania matauni-ini matiganite.
Program ambayo inaendelea sasa this financial year, pesa ambayo imepeanwa na Rais Ruto ya kuongeza stima mashinani katika town zote katika area ya Isiolo ni milioni 711, 711 million shillings worth of electricity projects for Isiolo County alone. Na vile vile tumekamilisha ujenzi wa kile kiwanda cha stima cha Merti ambazo kitaongeza nguvu ya stima isiwe inakuja ikipotea. So we have an electricity plant in Merti ambayo tumejenga. Mimi nilikuwa hapo 2 months ago, imekamilika pale Merti, hybridization plant ambayo imegharimu serikali ya Kenya milioni 360. Na kwa mara ya kwanza watu wa kaskazini mwa Kenya wataunganishwa na mji wa Nairobi kupitia Isiolo, kupitia barabara ambaye ni barabara ndefu zaidi kuwahi kutengenezwa na serikali moja, kilomita 750 ya lami ambaye itagharimu bilioni 100 za Kenya, shilingi bilioni 100, ambaye itaunganisha Mandera na Wajir na Isiolo. Ndio mtu akifika Isiolo ashike lami afike Nairobi.
Na riboti yo kuma kaunti-ini ya Isiolo igutuhe mweke wa kwamba gukorwo tugiikiria ro hanini ndugathi haria ni tugukorwo tugicokereria gukumenyithia mangi maingi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo njoo nami, twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo nami, twende Kemuma engineering system. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Hihi ni wiriragiria gutweka mutangathi njorua ndugathinike ringi. Riu ni tukureheire thukuru wa Jewel Professional College uria urarutana uhoro wigie umemerekia. Tuthomithagia maundu megemainie na uthuthuria wa mohoro baranginyo, utumiri wa mitambo ya kiriu ta kamera na kompyuta, na oho utangathi thiini wa radio na karavisheni. Wi munyiti ugeni thukuru-ini wa Jewel Professional College kuona woyani wa arutwo no urathi na mbere. Tucerere ofici-ini citu umuthi Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu mwena wa Roysambu, Nairobi. Jewel Professional College, kihumo kia ugi ni gwitigira Ngai.
Hihi ni uri waikio ngono ni afithaa wa virithi na ndumenya kunyitira ki? Atiriri, ni ui ihoto ciaku, na hii ni ui ati wagi wa umenyo ndungikugitira kiwatho.
Gatiba na watho wa bururi irabatara utauku wa gikiro kia iguru. Ona kuri uguo ni turikoragwo na giikaro na mawakiri matiganite tugikuhe mweke wa gukurana uria watho ugite iguru rigi ihoto ciaku, na oho tugaguthomithia maundu maria ubatie no utabatie gwika kiwatho. Tugaguteithia guthathaura uria watho roiga uhoro-ini wigie uramati na ugai wa indo, wandiki wa will na urihi wa magoti gatagati ka mangi maingi.
For the first time nitukureheire tabarira irikoragwo igikuruhania maundu maya mothe. Tabarira ino ya mwanya ukareherwo ni Francis Wairura. Nio muthenya wa kanaga kiumia thaa 2 nginya thaa 3 cia hwaini guku gwa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
na nitwacokereria ngakunyita ugeni tuthii na mbere na gukumenyithia na riu atongoria nene thirikari-ini cia matura nimegukorwo magithurimwo ni ruhonge rwa kurwa na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC kaunti imwe na iria imurikitwo makiria ari kaunti ya Siaya. Director wa Nyanza Abraham Kimboi augite ati atongoria othe eri a motungata ma muingi na wa county ya assembly ni megukorwo magithurimo niguo kugia na utheri hari gicanjama kia aruti a wira 382 aria marutire wira kahindi-ini ka mieri 8 na kwaga gukorwo makirihwo mishara yao.
My name is Abraham Kimboi. I am accompanied here by my colleagues from EACC, and we came to Siaya to get to know what is the problem of the so-called irregular employment of healthcare employees. We have met with their representatives and we have agreed on the way forward. We appear like we have ambushed them. The notice was very brief, so we are affording them an opportunity to put their records in order, so that now we will come back on Monday, sit with them, be able to forge the way forward in unraveling this scandal. When you are doing a professional investigation, you summon all the people that are useful to that investigation. You cannot conclusively make a recommendation without engaging the county government and even the public service board, probably even the county assembly, because they're the ones who approve the structure and they also approve the budget for recruitment. So all those will be engaged. We have engaged the county. We are also engaging the county public service board.
Kogena kuarita njira imwe ya kuheana kihoto kuri ohwo njera-ini cia arume na atumia Kajiado riu ni gwikiritwo itanda cia cuma na maya mahanikite rungu rwa mubango wa He Adapter Adeka na iria itanyite gukorwo igikinyaniria uheani wa itanda 20,000 njera-ini guothe bururi-ini gukirikana ati murugamiriri munene wa tabarĩra ĩno Salome Biako akiuga ati andu a wendi mwega ni magukorwo magiteithĩrĩria hanene gukinyaniria uheani ucio.
I'm here at Kajiado Main Prison doing a follow-up of what we started in May, on May 18th, of the He for He Adopt a Triple Decker campaign, which aims at ensuring that all our prisoners have beds. And why is this? This is in compliance with the Article 43 of the Constitution, as well as Article 27 of fair administrative justice, as well as the Mandela rules, the UN standards, minimum standards on treatment of inmates, which provides that all inmates must be treated humanely. And so on May 18th, in conjunction with the Archbishop of the Catholic Diocese of Nairobi, the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Nairobi, we started a campaign of providing beds to the inmates. And on 2nd of September this month, earlier this month, I did a Thanksgiving for myself, and in that Thanksgiving we raised funds towards putting beds in all our prisons. And I am happy to report that the first batch, or rather the second batch of beds, is now in place, and we have them here. There are a total of 260 beds that will be put in Kajiado Main Prison. So this He for He Adopt a Triple Decker campaign is beginning to gain traction and beginning to bear fruit. And I will encourage all people of goodwill to come and do this, because by the end of August or November or December, we will have done a total of 1,500 beds.
Sawa. Na riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtuithĩranĩria mũtambũrũko wa Kiheo Kabiru thaa imwe maya na mangĩ maingĩ nyitanĩra na ithuĩ ciehanda wega thaa 3 cia ũtukũ ta ũrĩa megũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo magĩkĩharĩrĩrio nĩ andĩki aitũ a mohoro hamwe na arĩa othe makorwo manyitĩire mwaro ũtigĩrĩra nĩ watwamũkĩra na njĩra ĩgwete ngakwendithĩria wĩroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citũ iria irathiĩ na mbere. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu.